Home Remedies presents How to Treat Droopy Eyelids Naturally. Results are amazing. Ever thought about the perils of old age? Sagging skin or loss of skin elasticity is an unwanted guest of that time. Sagging eyelids are the worst among them actually. In the age of winged eyeliners and brows, imagine having to face the consequences of sagging lids, despite being prompt with beauty care. The effectiveness of home remedies will depend on the cause and severity of the drooping lids, but you may want to try some. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to make the remedy. Chamomile tea bags. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory agents which help treat the condition of drooping eyelids. Put chamomile tea bags in the freezer for some time and then place it over the eyes. Keep them on for 20 minutes. By making this regular routine, you will start to see the benefits in no time. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are an excellent remedy for drooping eyelids. All you need to do is put some slices of chilled cucumber over your eyelids and let them stay for 15 to 20 minutes. Cucumber is good in hydrating skin and restoring skin firmness, which is the need of the hour. Besides, cucumber is a good source of potassium and vitamin C that help in treating drooping eyelids. Green tea. Green tea, which has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants in it, helps address the droopy eyelids problem. The polyphenols in green tea need to be thanked as they help improve skin elasticity. Just massage your eyelids with green tea water or drink green tea regularly to reap the benefits. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.